Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Blender on your Mac. To download Blender here in your Mac, it's pretty simple. All you have to do basically is go to your Google browser or whatever type of browser you have in your Mac or MacBook, and then just search there in your search bar download Blender for Mac. And then it will redirect you to this page as soon as you click the first page that comes up in your screen. So once you have downloaded it, you'll have to go to your downloads and you'll have to open it. From there, all you have to do is drag the Blender application to this folder, and there you go. And then we open that folder basically, and it's gonna copy Blender to your applications. So once you have done that, just open your Blender as you can see right here. It's verifying Blender. Now you just have to open it, and then right here, as we see it's opening it, you have Blender now on your Mac. So let's just wait for it to boot up. So when you see your icon is turning in circles with the rainbow, that means it's loading, it's processing it at the moment, so you'll just have to wait. And there you go, basically you have Blender in your Mac or MacBook. So if you like this video, please hit this like and don't forget to subscribe.